Hello everyone, in this video we'll be discussing what all niches you can go for if you are unable to decide in multiple niches that कि हाँ हमें कौन सा टॉपिक सजेस्ट करना चाहिए या फिर हमें कौन सा टॉपिक पिकअप करना चाहिए और उस पर कौन सी वीडियोस बनानी चाहिए, राइट? सो द फर्स्ट टॉपिक विच आई थिंक would be best right now would be AI and productivity. Everybody is looking for any AI topic, everybody is looking for any AI application. So if you can jot down certain AI applications and then you can make an video about it, like for instance कि yes ये AI ऐप है, ये आपको शॉर्ट फॉर्म में वीडियोस बना के दे सकता है, या फिर ये AI ऐप है, मे बी देर आर purchases but then after that it can do this or that. So everybody is looking for productivity, right? Everybody wants कि उनका टाइम कितना से कितना कम लगे. So this is what one thing you can do, that is you can make videos based on AI and productivity. That okay, for instance there is this website, it uses AI and it can जो आपका काम है वो मिनटों का जो काम है वो सेकंड्स में करके दे देगा, ठीक है? बहुत सारी कोई बहुत बड़ी स्क्रिप्ट है उसको शॉर्ट फॉर्म में बना के दे देगा. सो ये एक आइडिया है दैट यू कैन गो ऑन फॉर, राइट? सेकेंड दैट you can go on for is finance, or maybe you can go for kids finance, right? Or maybe basic finance. For instance, let's say there are kids who want to learn about finance, या फिर not just kids, बेसिक फाइनेंस फॉर एवरीवन. लाइक आप ये समझा दो डिपॉजिट क्या होता है, आप ये समझा दो डिमांड ड्राफ्ट क्या होता है, या एफडी क्या होती है, एसआईपी क्या होती है, या सेविंग्स या करंट अकाउंट में क्या डिफरेंस होता है, या फिर ये जो बेसिक चीज़ें हैं, राइट? ऑल दोज थिंग्स, लाइक सेविंग्स करने में फ़ायदा क्या होता है, इन्वेस्टमेंट में क्या फ़ायदा होता है, लाइक ऑल दीज थिंग्स. सो ये एक आपका दूसरा टॉपिक हो सकता है. लाइक इट कैन बी योर अनदर नीश वेर यू कैन डिस्कस अबाउट, yes, these are basic finance basic finance topics that everyone should be aware of, right? And especially kids shall be aware of, right? Another what you can go for is vlogs. Daily vlogs sometimes are the best क्योंकि इसमें आपको raw emotions दिखाने हैं, आपको कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं करना है जो जिससे audience connect ना कर पाए, right? Everything has to be raw. उसमें there is no need of much editing, no need of much thumbnails or anything. Just everything has to be raw, and it connects how audience wants to connect with it, right? And the best thing about this is that you don't have to think much about it. ज़्यादा सोचना नहीं है इसमें, राइट? यू स्टार्टेड ब्लॉगिंग दैट हे मैं यहाँ पर हूँ और यहाँ पे ये हो रहा है. आप बाहर कहीं जा रहे हैं, आप वहाँ ब्लॉग कर सकते हैं, या घर में कहीं हैं यहाँ पे वहाँ ब्लॉग कर सकते हैं, घर का कोई डेली लाइफ रूटीन या फिर एनीथिंग. एंड द बेस्ट थिंग इज़ दैट किड्स वॉच इट, right? And then kids love to watch it on repeat, and then they if one kid is watching, then obviously there are multiple kids who love to sit on in front of the phone and they watch it, they watch the entire video, right? So ये एक बेस्ट चीज़ हो सकती है. related to this only, something related to kids only, what you can do is you can go for stories, kids stories. There are multiple stories, okay, lying on the internet. There are multiple stories in books, there are multiple stories you can frame on your own, right? So there can be here you can utilize this skill of storytelling in actually telling a story. तो बच्चों के चैनल्स पे क्या है, like you started telling a story, and then the best thing that happens is that yes, the kid is watching continuously. उसे समझ आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है, that is another aspect, but the thing is that your watch time increases, right? So this is one niche that you can go for. Next two niches are something which everybody wants to talk about and people watch it on repeat again and again. First is you take up any subject, and because obviously you must have studied certain subject in school time, or maybe you are very well in it, तो आप एक कोई subject उठाओ and then take a subject and start making videos related to that subject. For instance, you picked up any topic and then you're making videos on it, right? So this also works well because obviously there are plenty of students who go to YouTube to search and learn from YouTube. So that will be a great help for them, and obviously a great help for you as well, because they will come again and again, and they would definitely they would not want to skip, right? वो कोई skip नहीं करना चाहेगा. Generally other videos are skipped, but these educational contents are not skipped. They would definitely want to watch it on double speed, but they would not skip it, right? So this educational content would be one thing. Next that you can go for is digital content creation, or next niche that you can go for is that how you can make or how you can earn money online. You can make a niche, you can pick this as your niche as well, right? There are plenty of ways to earn money online, and you don't really need to sum up each and everything which is there in the world in one video. You can make thousands of videos based on this, right? Or maybe you can tell your story, how you can make money online, or maybe how you can make money in your free time, how, what all things you can do, right? So this is another niche that really helps, and people also share it to each other, that okay, I found it helpful, maybe there is someone else who wants to make money, that person will also find it helpful, right? So in this way also this helps. So all these niches which you saw just now are really helpful, right? And these niches will definitely help you to think that okay, maybe this is my niche and maybe I should move forward in this area, right? Now if there is any niche that you think that I need to make a detailed video on it, then definitely do tell me in the comments, and do subscribe for upcoming content strategy.